Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally filming again. I'm so excited. It's been a while, as you guys can see. So I am finally back filming. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it's 2018, you guys. It's like, wow. If you guys hear a little background noise, it's my son. Okay, go over there. Anyways, I started this new year. I did this look a few days ago and I was completely like blown away with how it looked. So I figured I would film it for you guys. I freaking love how it came out. I don't know. I think it looks amazing. I don't know what you guys think. I feel like I have like a dog hair in my eye and it's bugging the crap out of me. So yeah, so this is the look that I found for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. It feels so weird to be back on camera, to be honest with you. I haven't filmed in such a long time and honestly I missed it so much. This is kind of like my gateway, I guess you can say, of like getting away from like the problems in the world, problems in my life. This year hasn't started the way I wanted, but I know it's gonna get a lot better. So yeah, so I'm excited to be back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless, calling them all night. I'm calling, I'm calling. I'm calling, I'm calling. It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that I fucking do. Happy on the outside, weary inside, smiling depression. They think I'm alright. I'm calling, I'm calling. I'm calling, I'm calling. It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that I fucking do.
this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty fun. I have been enjoying the Morphe 3502 palette. It's like my go-to palette now. I didn't really get into the 350 palette, the first one, but this one is definitely up my alley and I like it so much more. And this highlight, can we talk about this freaking highlight? I cannot believe I got my hands on it. I know it's not limited edition anymore. It was when it first came out, but I'm so glad that they brought it back because, girl, boy, it's amazing. Right? This MAC Oh Darling is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.